So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the analysis of this 3D frame and designing of this frame, the 3D model. So let us check the model for any errors or warnings. So just you can go for analyze menu and you can click on check model and you can just go for select all and click on OK, and the checking process has been started here. So it has been checked, the model has been checked and no warning messages were generated. Okay. And then after getting this message, then you can go for run analysis. F5 is the shortcut key. So simply click on run analysis and the analysis will be done here. So before that we need to save this file. So I'm just going to save it as 3D model here and click on save. And the analysis is being run here. You can see that at bottom left of the screen. Yes. And we got the deformed shape here. Okay. And if you want to see the animation of this, you can click on start animation option here. And we can see how the building is behaving for the given loads. Okay. So here you can just go for stop animation and we are seeing the displacement for dead load. Okay. So if you want to see the displacement or support reactions etc. for other loads, so you can click on this display support reaction and you can go for live or you can go for combination also, whatever combination you want to show, and click on apply and click on OK. And we got the reactions for this given combination. Okay, we can see that we got the reaction as 905 at this point, this joint. Okay, and somewhere here it is 1390. Okay, so depending upon the loads and the position of the joints, position of those supports, we are going to get the reactions. And if you want to see the SFD or BMD, and then in that case you can go for this one, display frame forces. So click on that and whatever the combination or case you want to apply there, select that. And under component you can just check for moment or shear 2 so just click on apply and you can see the shear force graphs on the screen. Okay, and if you want to see the moments for the beams and columns, you can click on the moment 33. So moment 33 will be mostly for beams, that is so for example the beams will try to rotate in with respect to z direction. Z will be acting as the axis of rotation. Okay, and when we are moving the cursor on the object, just we can see the values. Okay, so if I'm just moving on this particular beam and you can see the exact value there, whatever the value you are going to get there. Okay, and the scaling, if you want to define further scaling, you can just go for user defined scale and you can just either increase or reduce. Say for example I'm just making 0.0005 and let us click on apply. So it is a bit larger here. Okay, so it's better to go for automatic and you can see the graphs here. And if you want to see for only particular frame or if you want to just separate it, then you can just select like this. Okay, and you can go for similar stories, and you can just highlight the beams here and right click on that and just go for show selected objects only, and you can go for elevation view and click on first elevation since we have to see from this view from the first grade. Click on apply and we got this. Okay, and make sure that it has been highlighted and click on the moment 33 and click on apply. We got the BMD for this particular frame. Okay, and if you want to show the values, when we are placing the cursor on the graph, we are going to get the values. If you want to show the values on the screen, that is minimum and maximum values, so you can go for show values at controlling station. So click on that and click on apply. Okay, and if you don't want to get fill diagram, just uncheck this fill diagram and click on apply. We are going to get only normal lines like this. And if you want to change the color of this, so you can go for option here and we are going to have the graphic colors. Okay, so just click on display and here, not display. So click on options and graphic colors, click on output, and under output we are going to have the positive as yellow color and negative as red color. See here we got those color combinations. Say for example I want to change the color for something like blue here and click on OK. So we got the blue color lines here. Okay, so as per your convenience you can just change the output colors also. Okay, And next I want to see the slab reactions, I mean slab stresses. You can click on this icon, display shell stresses or forces, and just go for whatever the combination you need and whatever the component or whatever the type of stresses you want to see here. So just select that one, say for example F maximum, and click on apply and OK. So we got the stress distribution for this one. Okay. For example, moment, and click on apply. So for each and every type of component, we are going to get the different contours. Okay. The contours are nothing but depending upon the value, the color combination has been generated here. Okay. So you can see which color is representing what value, and inside, I mean like bottom of this screen here. Okay. And if you don't want to show the fill, you can uncheck this and you can go for show lines. Click on apply. Okay. Or else you want to go for show fill and show lines. Click on both, and you can see some lines also. Okay. You can see the proper lines also, outlines. And you want to show the values, you can go for values, as well as values will be displayed on the screen for this, like this. And if you want to show the maximum and minimum values as arrows, so click on apply. Instead of contours, that colors, the direction of the stress will be applied in the format of arrow keys, I mean arrow marks. Okay. So in this way we can observe the stress distribution on these slabs. So I'm just going to keep it as show fill and click on apply and click on OK. Right. And if you want to show the deformed shape of this, okay. So what we can do is you can just go for show deformed shape, or F6 is the shortcut key. And I want to see the deformed shape for combined load. Okay. And if you want to show the contours also, you can apply the show contours, and for which you want to apply the contours. So show contours for displacement in XYZ direction or displacement resultant. Okay. Whatever you want to apply. So click on apply there, and we can see the displacement object like this. Okay. And say for example, now you want to further edit your model. Okay. Either you want to change the cross section, or you want to apply another load, or you want to apply some other geometry. We can't access these options here. Okay. So we can't draw the beam, etc. Okay. We can't edit that one. So what happened is the structure has been logged here. So if you want to unlock the structure, here we are going to have this lock symbol just below the draw option. You have to unlock the structure, and it will be showing that when you are going for this option, it will be asking unlocking model will delete analysis results. Is it okay to delete? So if you want to delete all the results and you want to reanalyze your structure by giving some other options for your structure, then this would be the better option. Otherwise, if you don't want to disturb your model, so just close that window and you can proceed for the design. So in this way, we can check the model, analyze the model, and we got the deformed shapes, reactions, SFD, BMD, and we can check the model, how the model has been deformed, and we have also seen the animation part for this 3D structure. In next video, I am going to discuss about the design.